Sammy Sosa with the work, it's a home run. You know we acting a matter of fact, with Jack beat him to a pope with their own drums. I might just overdo it, bring the AK-40 cannon bustin' and go dumb. Coming with it with the snare and the hi-hats and crashing the party before nuns. Take a skillet and fry an egg on these artists, they scrambling to hide from us. I might just overdo it with the dancers hitting hot notes, Chris Brown and on them. I wonder how they get it when they sign up on them. Whenever coming up with the rhythm, I'm wild up on them. Hey, God, give me the gift to shine brighter than summer to your haters in the game, cause I'm styling on you. Touchdown up and wide at the gates. I'm coming breaking records, get the craze. Hold on, stand up over there. That's okay, right there. Cause I don't stand with the snakes. Again and again. And even Derek that he got me was sending over this hero, believing that he had a win. That's foolish. Whenever I come on in the trap with the killer cat and I'm coming to put the bullets in and get the funeral. If you don't know, you better hang somebody when I come with the squad. Get it ignorant for no reason. Boy, I might overdo it, I might overbruise and make it hard for you to breathe it. Just know that when you step in, it's me casa. They say that I'm too extra, that's my problem. Word up on the street is that you knew it. Oh, you knew it. They look at me like, oh no, oh, I knew it. He might overdo it. 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 I might overdo it. I might overdo it. Overdo it. I might overdo it. Overdo it. Overdo it. I might overdo it. Overdo it. Overdo it. I might overdo it. I might overdo it. I might overdo it. Overdo it. Overdo it. I might overdo it. I might.
I just mixed the Red Bull with the 5-hour. If the bass is not distorted, turn my music louder. At the front row of my show, then you gon' need a shower. Cause the turn up probably lasts until they cut the power. Lately, I've been spazzing every single beat. If you can't see, get some rising. Try me, please try me. I might overdo it. Well done till he say, well done, overdo it. I'ma pull it like a finna do a drive-by, like it's 9-9, like it's boys in the hood when they shot Ricky, bye-bye, oh my, I blend these styles like tie-dye. Every hater, they get high fives, reflect greatness, that's why I shine. Cannon on MG, that's my guy, you can't stop us, tell us why, try minor.
Just know that when you step in, it be casa. They say that I'm too extra, that's my problem. Word up on the street is that you knew it. Oh, you knew it. They look at me like, oh no, oh, I knew it. He might overdo it. I might overdo it. Overdo it. Overdo it. I might overdo it. Overdo it. I might 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 overdo it. Overdo it. Overdo it. I might overdo it. I might overdo it. I might overdo it. Overdo it. Overdo it. I might overdo it. I might.
Social club ad-lib. I'm supposed to say something random and funny right here.
You tell your crew, I tell my crew, we party all night.
I stays dive off the top rope like Macho Man. If I hit your mama with an elbow, then I'm sorry, fam. Y'all better know it. Y'all better know it. Misfits and minor are lions and tigers. In other words, animals, animals, animals. We all going crazy, I think you should try now. Hands to the sky like I 5 in the giant. Controlling the crowd like ventriloquist. Many resurrecting if you're not feeling it. Smarty just beginning, we are not ending it. People say I'm crazy, I'm not defending it, no.
With a couple of they friends, still rockin' hammer bands. I can do the hammer dance, just give me room though. I'm singing in Spanish, girls think I'm in Menudo. I'm drinking Malta in the back, and my shirt is mustard. Politicking on the patio, my shirt unbuttoned. I'm telling people about Jesus, open tea and crumpets. We too busy having fun, and you busy doing nothing.
problem is y'all trying to play us like optimists when we currently in a prime like optimists. Promoters at the email like a send. We'll put 10 next year, that's a lot of gigs. And a couple of them with Eric and his rapper friends. Can it be cool not to mention them, but not many other artists that I recommend. Lately I've been thinking what's goody for the culture. Chillin' in San Juan, dancing in the corner. Twerking out, working, baby, feeding over donut. Instagram filter got you feeling like a bowler. I do things much different than most of you. My rap's like a slam dunk trying to post to you. Verse like this, make hits like it's supposed to do. That party all night like we told you to.